gonna leave a trail behind you as you go of all your strands that have shedded off your wig. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't said that in so long. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be trying out this bang wig that I got right here from Amazon. Okay, so let's get into it. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I sat down and filmed a wig video or a hair video in general. Hey girl, hey. And it's been a minute since I put a mic on. Like I have a mic on, I'm mic'd up. Today we are gonna be doing a wig review. It's been a minute, but your girl is back, okay? Let me just give you some backstory because I've had this wig for months, okay? I have some other wigs too that's just kind of been sitting. Life started lifing, you know what I'm saying? And I just was not, you know, I'm just getting around to filming it. But behind the scenes, I've been on the hunt for a cute bang wig. A while ago, I had got a Freetress bang wig. I can't remember the style name, but I loved that wig and I've been looking for it and I cannot find it. But I've been on a hunt for a cute bang wig that's similar to that wig. And I finally bit the bullet on one. So this wig is from Amazon. I have no clue what it's really going to be like because sometimes you know how like pictures could give one thing, but like when you get it in person, it could give another. So I just really don't know what it's gonna give. So this is the package that it came in. I have not opened it. It literally has just been sitting. This is how it was packaged. It says Albel, Everyday Beauty. So let's see. Oh, I need my wig cap. Honey Pie, I'm sorry. Can you give me my wig cap, please?
This one got holes in it.
That's okay. Thank you. Wig cap secured. And I did want something with a little bit of color because that wig that I'm in love with and obsessed with and can't seem to find anywhere, it had some like highlights in it. So I wanted a little bit of color. Okay, this is a lot of color. What is this? Oh, a wig cap. Look, they give you a wig cap. It feels heavy. I'm pleasantly surprised with how it feels. I was expecting for it to feel kind of plasticky. It's shedding like crazy, girl. I don't even know if you could see that. It is shedding like crazy. Lord have mercy, Jesus. But oh, she feel nice. Okay, we just gotta get this. Like, why are you shedding so bad, girl? I just took you out the pack. What is your problem? Oh my God. Oh my God. Do more shedding. Girl. Gift that keep on giving. What in the helicopter? This is insanity. All right. The bangs don't look like the photo already off the bat. Like it's literally just like this little tiny little piece of bang right here. Like that's really all the bang there is. But I'm not gonna player hate on it just yet. Kind of has that faux scalp vibe. This is what that looks like. This is the inside of the cap. It doesn't seem to have any combs. No combs on the side, no comb in the back. All it has is adjustable straps. Ooh. Okay, let's try her on. I said to Rob, can you bring me my cap? He said, where's that? I told him where is that. He said, this got holes in it. I adjusted the straps a teensy bit. Uh-oh. Oh, hell no! Uh-oh. See, like, I knew it was going to be a problem because, like, they only have the bang, like, right here. Which is just, like, that's not how a bang works. It just looks crazy. The hair is not bad. I'm gonna have to go in and like chip chap me a couple of pieces of the bang. The color is cute. I like the very slight curl that it has. It feels good. They just need to work on like the bang situation. Like, what, ma'am, what is this? Oh, it's so nice outside. It's 85 degrees today. I'm so thirsty to get back outside. I literally sat in the sun for like 30 minutes after I came from the gym, which really held up my day. But I couldn't resist. The sun was literally calling to me. It was like, please come soak me up. And I was like, all right, I'll give it a little taste. It ain't really giving what it's supposed to have gave. This hoe is shedding because the bang is like blunt cut and not like feathered out. It's creating a sharp, what's the name, so it don't look as good, falling like right by my brows. It's just okay. Stop trying to be fetch happen. It's a cute wig. It's just not working for me. Like, no matter what I'm trying to do, it just look crazy as hell. Again, like the hair actually feels very, very, very nice, and I'm still just able to run my fingers through it. I ain't brushed it not one time. I love that. The color is super pretty. It's definitely big head friendly because I adjusted the straps and I could go back in and adjust them some more. Like, you get what I'm saying, to make it even tighter. And like I always say, the good thing with like a bang wig is even if the wig is too small, like the cap is too small, it don't really matter because most people will push the cap back to have the bang fit their face a certain kind of a way. So you can always get away with like a smaller cap size when you are dealing with like bang wigs. Y'all, what y'all think? Like, I think it's, like I said, it's a very cute wig. And surprisingly, the hair, like I keep saying, feels really nice. But on me, I don't know if it's like a combination of the color and the bangs that's really not working for me, but something just is not working. But again, still a cute wig, like it. I would recommend it, especially if you like bang wigs. Just know she's gonna shed to death. That's probably why they made it extra like thick, because this density on this wig is pretty thick. Like, this is all the hair pulled to the front. And for me, y'all know I like a more natural density type of a wig. This wig has a nice amount of hair in it, and maybe because they know like this hoe gonna be shedding crazy. She's gonna shed. You're gonna leave a trail behind you as you go of all your strands that have shedded off your wig. But you're gonna look cute though. So yeah, if you are interested in this wig, I will leave it linked down in the description box. It will also be linked in my Amazon storefront. It will be linked in my Beacons page. I will have it linked everywhere for you. Just pick a link and click it, okay? Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of the wig and the video, and I will catch you in the next one. I want to go hit the streets, okay? It's very nice outside, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.